Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you all key fob features. Except of course opening and closing the car. Thanks to the key fob you can also opening the boot while the car is unlocked. And close the boot. Also, if you press and hold unlock button, you can open the windows, and if you press and hold lock button, you will close windows. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.